Hello, little math whiz. It's me, Blaze. Today, we're going to learn how to count. Isn't that exciting? First, let's get those wiggles out. Can you give me a big stretch with your arms way up in the air? Awesome. Now that we're all set, let's dive into our counting journey. We're going to start with some friendly faces. Who loves animals? I do. Let's count with our animal friends. Imagine we are on a farm. Look, what's that hopping in the grass? It's one little bunny. Let's count it together. 1. Can you say that with me? 1. Great job. Oh, wow! Now I see 2 fluffy sheep. Let's count them. 1, 2. Let's say it together. 1, 2. Perfect. Do you see the ducks quacking by the pond? Let's see how many ducks we can count. 1, 2, 3. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. I think I see some cows in the barn. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are doing amazing! Just when we thought the farm couldn't be busier, here come the pigs rolling in the mud. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you're a counting superstar. Did you have fun meeting our animal friends and counting them? I sure did. Learning to count is a big step in our adventure together. And guess what? The more we practice, the easier it gets. Before we finish, let's wiggle our fingers and count them too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers on one hand. Thanks for joining me. Remember, you can count anything, anytime. Keep practicing and see how many things around you can count today. Bye-bye for now.